Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Omni Synergy Initiator. What is Omni Synergy Initiator? Synergy's Initiator is the first step in converting your pool from traditional sanitizers, such as chlorine or bromine, to the Synergy system. Initiator's startup formula only needs to be used once per season to prepare pool water for the Synergy system treatment that will keep your pool cleaner and more comfortable than you could ever have dreamed. Swimmer irritation and foul chemical odors normally associated with chlorine use will be gone forever, as will your need to constantly hand-feed chlorine to keep your pool operating at a safe level. This product is perfect for pool owners looking to simplify their routine maintenance without compromising the health and appearance of their system. Product benefits. Patented technology. Apply directly into skimmer with pump running to initiate the Synergy system. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.